in our healthcare area, what we're doing here is sharing with you how we can utilize health presence. Now, health presence is a way for us to be able to collaborate and interact with a physician that's anywhere in the world through telepresence. Right? We can have a technician or a nurse at this end here working with a patient. We have all of our vital signs equipment here, blood pressure and stethoscope and arthroscope as well, right? So we take all of this gear here and being able to aggregate all of that vital signs information through this aggregator onto our IP network via an application that's shared both by the technician in this space and the physician on the other end. Now, of course, there's security aspects to this as far as who can join and how we get physicians invited to this particular session. And as you see here, I actually have a camera that we're using here, which is for, if I wanted to check my eyes and share that, or my throat, right? And there's several things that we can do. We have a stethoscope as well here. And so many different things that we can take as far as vital signs and be able to share that remotely via telepresence. Now, the other thing that we can do in this space is also use our Video Surveillance Operations Manager, which we normally use for security. But in this case here, we're showing it how you can use this within a nurse's station and visually manage hospital beds. So, with this application here, I can pretty much manage all my critical patient beds, that is, visually through this application. Now, to my right there is our video phone. So we can have that video phone within a patient room, if you will, and I'm here at the nurse's station now interacting with either the patient or some medical crew that happens to be in the room for an emergency, and now visually interacting with them rather than having to verbally describe things, and now easily being able to collaborate with them. Now, one last thing in this area that we talk about is Cisco Cast. So here to my left is Cisco Cast. Right? It's, again, a way for us to be able to take video collateral. So once you get admitted to a hospital, you typically would be bombarded with documentation, be it for your meds, right, your cure, your illness, what have you. Why not share that via video and make it easy on your patients? So that's a way for us to do that using Cisco Cast. So with that, let's walk over to our video wall and see what we have in that space.